For anyone who would like to build an outside blog rather than using the wiki that we have in Blackboard, I strongly recommend using Weebly. Weebly.com, look up here. You can Google it, you'll find it. If you actually type free blog site, you'll get Weebly, Weebly.com. Weebly is excellent. In fact, I used it to build my promotion portfolio for Bremen a couple years ago. So I'll pretend like I don't have an account and I'll show you just how easy this is. If you have Facebook, you could sign up with that. But let's say I'm brand new, I want to sign up. What do I do? Please provide a password. Okay. So I'll say my name is Example Student. And I'll give myself, okay, so that's my old one. I have to remember that for later. Use one of my emails. And make up a password. Oh, is there any number in there? No, I don't want to remember it. It's okay. Alright, let's just grab the first one that they offer me, but let's make it green. Alright, there we go. I choose that template. Use a subdomain. Alright, so whatever I end up with, it'll be Weebly.com. Don't go this route, guys, unless you're determined you're going to keep this and use this forever and ever, because you may end up eventually having to pay for it. Connect with the domain, well, if you want to, but then you're going to get in trouble with switching over INS and all this stuff. So just use this, and it'll be whatever you come up with, .weebly.com. No spaces. You can use an underline, so I'll do HTTP example_student. And somebody already has it. Oh, they won't let me use underscores. Example BU student. Aha! So, my blog will be available at examplebustudent.weebly.com. Continue. See, it's pretty darn easy so far. You know what? There's a video you can watch. I'm just going to build my site. Alright, what do I want? I'm going to build a title. Title will be, drag elements here. Oop, my bad. Drag down here. What's the title? Let's say, example, educating. Oh, nice. Well, at least we know it. Correct spelling. Educating the adult learner blog. I'm going to have to go back in and change these colors later because that is terrible. You cannot read that on white. Well, no harm, no foul. I can fix all this. That's underline. Remove formatting. Alright, so there's all kinds of things I can do to change this. But in general, you see what I'm doing. Now I'm going to add text or image in text or image or a gallery or a slideshow. There's all kinds of things I can add. This is how easy it is. Let's just add some text. Oop, I want it under my title. Okay, click to edit. One. Blah 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 blah. And I think this is the greatest class I've ever taken in the history of the world. Thank you. Alright, publish. Yep, I'm going to use examplebustudent.weebly.com. Continue. Select a website type. This is for education. And let's call it class project. Don't ask me again. Continue. Alright, verifying I'm human. No jokes. F, C, I hate these things. R, I, P, A, R. Okay. Publish. I don't need it. Whoop, there it is. I'm published. I'm going to copy this down. Alright, I don't need to share this on Facebook or Twitter. So, let's close this page out. So go home. And let's double check. I paste it in. And what do I get? Ta-da! Welcome to my blog. So every week when I need to add something in, I easily can. Now for our portfolios, easy enough. Let's go to my sample. I have this page here that says sample page for video. Well, what if I changed it to my blog? And I'll add text. Please visit my blog for ongoing thoughts and information on educating adults. Paste in the URL. There it is. Boom. Save. And there it is. That's it, guys. I am strongly encouraging you. You may use the wiki in our class if you want, but you might as well use something that's going to, live outside the class and make it easy for you to have and share. Well, that could be read really wrong. Example bus student? No, it's example BU student. So there you are. I recommend Weebly. If you want to use something else, please shoot me an email and let's check. But otherwise, you can either, let's go back to the class itself. You can either, for your blog, you can either build your blog inside here, inside our wiki, because I tell you flat out, I don't like the actual blogging software in Blackboard. You can either build it here, you can either build out your own page, or you can simply, let's do this. I could either build out my new page as I'm supposed to, here are the instructions, or what I could do is example on Weebly, and then paste in my URL. Alright. Now I do need to make that hot. How do I make it hot? I copy it. Look, 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 look. Where's the icon? Boom! First icon, lower left-hand corner, the little chain. The little chain creates a link to a new page. Ta-da! Click. You get a pop-up box. You want to click link to an external website. Put in your URL. Now look. Open in new window. Open in new window. Click insert. It's there. If you don't want to use Weebly, and you simply want to add a page inside this wiki, wouldn't have been this, it would be link to a new page, and you would add your name here. No spaces, please. Alright? That would build me a page inside this wiki. But you know what? I think I am going to go with the Weebly. I like it. It's professional. I can use it in the real world. There we go. Insert. One more time. How did I do that? Notice now it's hot. I clicked on the chain first in the lower left-hand corner. Got this box. I chose this guy because I'm linking out. Put the URL in here. If I didn't want to link out and I just wanted to build inside the wiki, I would link to a new page and give it my name. Last but not least, save and exit. Do not try to do anything but edit text until you save and exit. I want to make sure my URL works. First I save and exit. Boom. That's it. And I'll post this video on this page. Thank you so much.